Hello friends, welcome to my channel Smart Girl Hitika. Today we'll see how to make Google form and later on we'll see how to make this Google form as a test quiz.
On your browser, type forms.google.com. Here we have our Google Docs page open. Here we click on blank to start with a new form. Topic which you see here untitled form is what your main subject would be. It could be test, exam, quiz, etc. So let me type test form. Form description gives brief idea. So for example, I enter exam for grade 10. Now here you see untitled questions below. Click on it. For every question we get these options: short answers, paragraph, checkbox, multiple choice question, etc. It is important to make a section in this form to get details of student appearing. So we select short answer and make it a mandatory field by selecting required. For fields like name, roll number, grade, you can click on add button to enter more as per requirement.
Now let's create a separate section for our question paper.
To make another section, click on this button. Now name the untitled section. I named it Subject Economics and Description as MCQs. Press on Add Questions button and here we have the same option as before. Let's say if student is required to answer fill in the blanks, we will select short answers. If student is required to answer MCQs, we will select multiple choice, drop down, checkbox, etc. For posting questions, here we have two options. Either keep typing manually all the questions or upload the file for each questions. For example, let me type and show you. Click on this button and upload a screenshot of your questions. Example, I have a PDF of my test question paper. Let me open it. And here we can use window snipping tool. Now press new and snip the first question with its multiple choice objective and save it. For quick explanation, I have done this procedure for all my questions. Press this button for uploading your questions. Now we just need to enter option as A, B, C and D, and so you keep adding your questions. As you see, my question number 19 and question number 20 are fill in the blanks and you have the option to select short answer type for difficult quiz or MCQ for easier one.
Now to get an idea of how your Google test form looks like, click preview.
You can see the mandatory fields required are name, roll number, grade, without which my students cannot give the test. Let's say a student gives the test and this is our question paper. Say student has submitted his or her responses. We can keep a track of the same in responses tab here.
But hey, something is missing. That's the automatic result. Otherwise you would keep checking all the responses whole day.
Go to settings and select make this a quiz. Select other settings as per your individual choice. And also select collect email addresses. Make allow response editing off. Click on the question. Now you see an answer key button on left bottom of this question. Click the same and then click the correct answer for it. Enter the marks or weightage of this question here. One more important thing, once correct answer key is entered, you get an option to add answer feedback for incorrect and correct answer. You might also give a brief explanation to students if he enters wrong answer to make him understand the correct answer like this.
Now let's preview and attempt the test.
As you see, students can now view his score and his responses. Here we see two responses and their respective scores. For that, click on the spreadsheet button. You can rename it and click create. This Google spreadsheet gives the time of exam, email addresses, scoring, name of the students, etc., along with their entered responses. Great thing is we can export this Google spreadsheet into MS Excel file, PDF file, etc.
Hope I have cleared all your doubts. Let's wrap this episode here. If you gained some knowledge from this video, please like, share and subscribe.